guys, what's up? It's me here. I can't believe I'm actually recording this or saying that, hi, I'm here. But I am here after 3 years, almost 3 years now. I think my last video was August 2017. But a lot has happened ever since. That's why I stopped doing videos. I'm thinking that I actually want to come back and do videos for YouTube, but I'm not sure. I was going through some personal stuff in my life, so I kind of put YouTube in the background. And I was also finishing school, and I had my daughter. She was 1.5 at the time, so I was going through a lot. So I really didn't have time to sit down, record, and create content. But I'm hoping I can actually do it now. So like I started by doing what I do best, which is hair. Yes, I did this braids yesterday, and I actually love the way they turn out. I was like, oh, let me record just in case if it actually does come out good. I'll post it. So I'm gonna post it. I feel like I'm so old for YouTube. Like not that I'm old in age, but I forgot everything that I knew about, like how to upload and stuff like that. I still know how to edit, but uploading, I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time. I don't remember how to do none of that. I have to come back and reteach myself. But yeah, that's it. That's what I have to say. I don't want to talk too much because I feel like I don't have the right to be here sitting down chatting when I literally disappeared from the map. So yeah, just enjoy this hair. I hope you like it. Leave me some comment and some feedback on the comment section. I'll make sure to check it out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. So I'm just gonna start by dividing my hair. I did 5 sections, and I started in the middle and then made my way up, and I did some more sectioning at the bottom, as you can see, and then each of those sections I did more sections on them. I am just smoothing my hair and putting the rubber band. The rubber band is what's gonna keep it neat. That's the hair that I used. And if you're fast like me with some magic, you should be this far along. I'm just kidding. So just part your hair. I decided to switch to the Gorilla Gel because it's a stronger hold and it'll make the hair last longer. So you're basically just going to put your rubber band, divide your hair into a thinner section and a thicker section. You're going to get a crochet needle, put it through right under the rubber band, put the hair on the latch hook of the needle, pull it through like so. It's really easy. I feel like anybody can do it. So just grab the thicker section now and start braiding. Make sure you put it at the root right next to the rubber band, and then just start braiding. And then I'm going to show you one more time to make sure that you got it. So rubber band first, insert the needle under the elastic, grab the thinner hair, put it on the needle, and then pull it through, and then grab your thicker section, put it at the root on the elastic part, and then start braiding. I really love this hairstyle. I've been getting a ton of compliments, and I'm sure you will get a ton of compliment too. I'm sorry for my accent, guys. You know that I am an immigrant. English is not my first language. So yeah, just keep on braiding. And I'm just going to do some magic again and snap my finger and bada boom, bada bing. And my hair is done. And ooh, 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 who's that girl? Just kidding. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.